ever had your temperature gauge stop working, it could be one of four things. It could be your temperature gauge itself. It could be your temperature gauge sensor, which is located right here. Is the gold bolt sticking out of the block with the red wire running from it. Third could be your wire itself. The red wire runs into the harness, goes across, and into the firewall there. The fourth thing could be a bad ground or bad ground connection behind the instrument cluster. I'll show you a diagram of that. I would first remove the instrument cluster with these screws. There should be 8 screws around the sides of it. Remove it gently. You can test each terminal with a 9-volt battery and 2 alligator clips. I can link a demonstration video below. If all the gauges are working, I would replace the temperature sensor. And when you do that, ensure to put enough rags around the sides of it, as some antifreeze will spill out. So the ground should be located behind the cluster, about up here, screwed onto one of the beams of the dash. And if that's rusty or not making good contact, take it apart, do a little sandpaper, and then it'll make a nice bond. After idling just for a couple minutes, the gauge is slowly starting to move. So I fixed mine, and you can sure fix your own. 9 times out of 10, it's the gauge or the temperature sensor, but could be the wire itself or a ground. Thanks for watching.